The 2018 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.